What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. We are fixing the body yet again. We're going to be going to my longtime chiropractor, Dr. Adam, over here at Star Chiropractic. We just pulled into the parking lot, so we're going to walk in, and he's just going to crack us up, and we're going to feel so much better. I literally cannot wait.
So we'll start off on your stomach there. Yep. All right. So first thing we're doing, just a leg check just to see how messed up you are. I was gonna say, yeah. And so you definitely, your sacrum is a little twisted there. That's why I feel how bad it is. Yep. Yeah. So we do a little warming up here. The drop table. How many days you hitting the weights? Nice. This side. Alright, so you adjust your tailbone. On your back there. Alright. And then usually, when that's out, your occiput is out here. And then your ass. Yeah. You're still back and forth from Florida, right?
Yeah, I'm here till September 11th.
Gotcha. So the biggest thing is, see how this one kind of toes in a little bit more? So we're going to adjust that using your leg, your femur, like push your femur. And then oh yeah. Need all the help you get over all this thing. So this is going good, no injuries or anything? Okay. I just went there. That was awesome. Yeah.
And then I realized that I still had like a high bar stance with a low bar position.
Oh.
And then plus,
We'll have you sit at the end of the bench.
and then all the times of sitting at work,
Just sweeping it. Oh yeah.
just brutal.
Right? Deep breath. Oh, that was great. And then sweep it this way. Yeah, you're whole.
Dude, I can feel it, man. Like, especially because usually we were doing like at least once a week for the longest time.
Right.
And then now that it's barely ever, I can just feel it all.
Oh yeah. Put your hands behind your head. Awesome. All right, so deep breath in and breathe out. All right, good stuff. Yeah, set you straight. Good, good, good. Oh yeah, we're doing dynamic exercises, squats, everything. Oh really?
Yeah, so my goal is prep for the show.
Okay.
So then I can like kind of heat slash do a meet prep for like 12 weeks.
Okay.
So that should be enough time to recover from the show. So I'm still trying to do all my leg days are with front deadlift.
Okay.
That means 2 to 3 times a week. So
Nice.
with the lower food, it's getting tough.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I'm definitely trying to push through, but
Right, right.
I appreciate you getting
Yeah,
me
no
in
problem.
always.
Anytime. Yeah.
Oh, let me tell you, I feel a million times better. We looked at my records because we were both kind of curious as to how long it's been since I've been here. And it has been since April. It's September. That is 5 months. And typically when I'm training the way I am, I come here at least once a week, like if everything's going good. So probably now I'll have to come back at least twice a week when I'm home, just because I get so out of whack. I don't have a chiropractor down in Florida. I literally feel so much better. Like I feel like I just took a full night's rest and like just completely rejuvenated. I can actually sit comfortably, you know, when your pelvis gets out of whack and everything's all twisted up the way it is for me, like, it is just bad news bears. I literally feel like a brand new person. Like, huge shout out to Dr. Adam. If you are local to the area, come to Star Chiropractic, come to see Dr. Adam. I'm gonna flash his information in this video a couple times just because I love the guy. I've been here for years, and you know, he's the best in the game. I've gone to a bunch of chiropractors. He's by far the best one. He has an actual weightlifting background, and he's knowledgeable in all these areas, how you want to feel while you're doing your movements, things like that. And so just understands biomechanics at a high level, and I could not recommend him anymore. But now that we have this newfound energy, it is time to get home. I need to make food because I'm starving, and I think we should have a package when we arrive. And here is all of Dr. Adam's information for Star Chiropractic, the office number, the office hours. Again, if you are local to the Shelby Township area, Utica area, you do not want to miss out. Make sure you come see Dr. Adam, and as it says, restore your inner awesome. Because I know he did for me. All right. It is now 10:30 at night, September 7th. And we got a package in today from Raw. This drop went live on August 31st. Make sure you're using code CHICO10 at getrawnutrition.com. Support me, support Blue's dreams of going to college. But let's check out what was in this drop. Here, I snagged 2 t-shirts and a brand new Savage pre-workout, which I'm absolutely gassed up for. That's that. So the flavor that dropped that we copped right here is our Peach Savage pre-workout. I've done the blackberry lemonade, rocket power, or rocket candy, and then the Ghost and Savage collab. So I'm excited for this Peach one right here. We're actually going to do a live taste test today because even though it's 10:30 at night, I still have a half hour. Anyways, we also popped some XLs. You know the kids. Is that cringy? Okay. But this is actually from this shirt is from their vintage gas station line. We got the Pegasus right there. I forget which company this is. Maybe Chevron? I don't know. The Racing Series ones from the Summer 22 drop. We still had them in stock, so if you like any of those items, make sure you check it out. Grab some of it from that drop. So that's from the summer drop. This is from our August drop right here. This one I really like. So loud on the packaging. This one I really like. Again, it is a dope material, just super. It's almost like thick but lightweight. I don't know how to describe it. It's really weird, but I got a nice brown because you know it's getting to be fall time. We're still gonna be traveling back and forth to Michigan and whatnot, so got to get some browns, some falls. But it's a really simple raw. Here, we'll do a live try on right now. Fresh out the box. Everybody excited? I'm gassed up. We're also gonna try the pre-workout. Like, what kind of content? Like, who's got content like this? Nobody. Nobody, I tell you. Pop the tarps off for the boys. I like this fit a lot. So it's hello again. So yeah, so here we go. Cover vibe. You know, goes through elbows on the sleeves. I like that. There's a thicker collar. It's got a little bit of right there with frayed bone, but I'm really vibing for this. Let's see if we can get a full fit. I am rocking some new shorts. What an amateur. Tell me in the comment section how much of an amateur I am. Oh, how does this work, kiddos? Alright, we'll do that. So as you can see, good fit, about mid-thigh. Extra large, fresh out the packaging. I really dig it. I really like the brown. It's a good vibe. Covers the arms just right, but it makes us look large enough. You know what I'm saying? It's that deceptive sizing, dog. So let's change it to the next shirt real quick. Bada boom, bada bang. This is gas too. I really love the collars on these shirts. This fit isn't as much of a pump cover-esque. It's a little tighter on the arms. Doesn't go straight to the elbows, but still a really nice fit. Really good, clean look. I love this logo. Good thick collar, like high key. These are like the best shirts to wear in the gym, like even as a pump cover, especially. fitted. So enough of that. We're gonna change for cardio, and then we're gonna do like a live taste test of the peach bum. I'm excited. And you should be too. And don't forget, Chico 10 saves you dollar bills and helps Blue go to college. Yo, we're changed up now, ready for cardio. So let's do this live reaction right now for the fans. Oh my goodness. All right. So, leave. Look at that ease of use right there. Take a scoop, 8 to 12 ounces. So we're doing a half a scoop because it is 10:30 at night. I've had about 4 energy drinks and 2 coffees, but that's besides the point. So we're gonna do a half a scoop. So we're only gonna do 4 ounces of water because we don't want the flavor to be too diluted. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out. Nice, thank you very much. Great song reference, I know. I am probably the weirdest person ever. Probably shouldn't like it. All right, this looks, it's vented. Yeah. All right, oh. Make you fudge your mouth. Oh, good pull. Guys, pretty cool. Right there, look at that, see that? Scoop it, scoop it. Use for the flavor. Alright. This is scoop size good. This is 40 servings per cup. Let me tell you, the powder stuff is nasty. I could probably do it. Nice. Good scoopage. Good forage. Not like, what's her name? Goldilocks and the Three Bears or whatever. Not that kind of porridge, but alright. Snap it up, snap it in. Alright, good color. Very peachy. Living up to the name so far, guys. We love that. We hate false advertising. Okay. Seems like enough. Here we go. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see. Yo, I love peach, okay? I'm a huge peach guy myself. And that flavor profile is like, that's pretty good. Having like a full scoop of this, maybe scoop it in some nice cold water, get some ice in there, make it last for like the first 30 minutes of your workout. Dude, oh, that's so good. That is so good, guys. Go to getrawnutrition.com. Make sure that if the peach pre-workout, the peach bum is still there, it's a perfect fall drink. Like it tastes super fall-y. That's a thing. Look it up. Get you some. Honestly, so worth it. So delicious. We're gonna go do this cardio now. We're gonna power through it like a champion, and I'm gonna check in with you guys after because I gotta do, I think, 30 or 35 minutes of cardio and 200 push-ups. So I'm gonna see how this half scoop lasts me throughout the cardio, throughout the push-ups, see how it feels. But yeah, so far this is a fantastic product. 12 out of 10 taste. Without a doubt, this surpassed the blackberry lemonade and rocket candy and the Miami Vice. 100%. Easily best flavor of Savage pre-workout. Highly recommend it. Chico 10. All right, here we are. It is the next day. Let me tell you, that workout was awesome. Like for just cardio and push-ups, felt fantastic. Really good energy throughout the whole workout. No crashes or anything like that. But we are suited up. We're actually about to go out to eat with Abuelito and Abuelita and their mom. The Colombian restaurant local here in Michigan. So that's gonna be an awesome time. Then after that, we're just gonna hit back and shoulders. But you know we're gonna be dropping a full scoop of the Savage Bum, Peach Bum pre-workout. And I'm really excited. This drop is clean, it's dope, and that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications, make sure you share the video with a friend. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.